Mercian Labels operates in a wide variety of different sectors. Our main area of growth is within prime labels being printed digitally, and that's where we found a real niche with the use of Xeikon technology. Xeikon offers the near-perfect combination of quality, uptime, productivity and cost effectiveness, and so it's really important to us that our offering is competitive to the marketplace. We've looked at a variety of other technologies over time and found that they weren't really suitable for our marketplace. We trust the Xeikon technology, we trust Xeikon as a business to innovate the sort of technical developments that we need to enable us to continue to grow at over 20% a year.
Previously, when we only had our Xeikon 3300, we were running this on double shifts, 16 hours a day. We found due to our USP of speed and service, and the fact that we were getting capacity issues, we need to look at a new press.
At that point we decided to purchase a second machine and the newly available Xeikon Cheetah was a very clear choice for us. It was installed in the first week and we had full products running within that week. Since then it's run flawlessly. As managing director, what you want to hear from your operations team is nothing. If they don't have anything to say and it's all running smoothly, that's music to your ears, and that's exactly what's happened. The speed and productivity improvement being 56% in speed above the current 3300 series offered us opportunities for cost saving, which we could bring to the marketplace, take more market share and also reduce our lead times. And at a strategic level, it was exactly the right decision.
We find we have 95% uptime with our Xeikon presses. When we do have unexpected downtime, the service we receive from Xeikon is excellent. We get telephone support usually within minutes, and we get on-site engineers within hours.
Mercian Labels has a standard lead time for any new work that arrives through the door, and there are many hundreds of those every month, of 3 working days from artwork approval to leaving the factory. Having the dependability and reliability of the Xeikon engine is critical to that business, which gives huge amounts of benefit to the customer and improves the reputation of Mercian Labels for offering that speed and service.